open up. You open up.
Hey guys, it's Leela. Welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry that it took so long to post another video. I had like the worst week ever last week. I got food poisoning and I was bedridden for like 5 days. Then I got into a car accident and it was not a good week at all. But why does this week have to be any better when Kylie Cosmetics can just send me a package with a missing piece? Like, why did I have to get so excited to get my package and then I open it and I'm missing like the most expensive thing that I ordered? Why? But whatever, I am a little peeved because I did order the Koko collection. Round 3 I've ordered like previous 2 and the previous 2 have just been like lipsticks, so you know there was like a little quad set of lipsticks the last 2 times. I really liked all of them for the most part. Like the colors were like a little funky for some of them, but I did like them. I thought they were super cute and like the packaging was nice and it was just nice to have like a collection, like, you know. So this time she released a 2 lipsticks, a lip liner, which she's never done, a highlight, which she's never done, and an eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I was super excited to do like a whole look with the eyeshadow and like do like a, you know, a tutorial and like, you know, how to use this palette and like be so cute. But she decided not to send me the palette. But I did want to talk about a little bit about the fact that like this happened to everybody. So I was looking on like Kylie Cosmetics, you know, the first thing I did was like I got my package, I saw it was delivered, I like ran outside, I picked it up and it felt kind of light. I was like, you know, and I was surprised that it came in this little tiny box. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger, but whatever. But then you open it, you know, and then I take my card out and there was like more foam and stuff, I think, to make sure like the highlight didn't break. But you know, I like opened everything and then like I was like, where's my eyeshadow palette? Like I only got this. I was like, where's my eyeshadow palette? So I looked at my packing slip that came in here, right? And it says bundle Koko collection, but tell me why only 4 of the items are listed. It's supposed to be 5. And I will insert a picture right here of what it looked like on the website because it had the eyeshadow palette like pictured. So I'm supposed to be getting an eyeshadow palette. Tell me why it doesn't come. So I'm like freaking out. I'm like, did I just spend $100 on 2 lipsticks, a lip liner, and a highlight? Like I was about to be like real mad. So then I went on the Kylie Cosmetics like page on Instagram, and if you click on the Koko collection eyeshadow palette picture, it's like one of the first few posts that's there. Everybody in the comments is saying, where's my eyeshadow palette? People who ordered the eyeshadow palette by itself got it. So, and the weird thing is like I get why they didn't put it in the box. It's not listed on my order sheet. The way they do it, if you guys like don't know, is like they're in a warehouse. If you guys like want to see more in depth, watch like the Shane Dawson documentary with like Jeffree Star, and he takes you through the warehouse and tells you like how they do it. So what they'll do is like, you know, set up, you know, whatever employee, like, hi, I work for Kylie Cosmetics, will get this piece of paper. He will see, or she will see, okay, quantity 4, and then he'll double check that there's 4 items because it says 4 right here. He'll double check there's 4 items in my box. Then somebody else will check it, that's why it has checked by right here, and then they will ship it to you to make sure that all of the items are in the box. So I was a little peeved. So I emailed customer service, and of course they sent me this like garb email about like, you know, odd response, you know, we're gonna send you, like, you know, we're gonna reply within 48 business hours, but we're only open 8 to 5 Monday through Friday. So I'll probably hear back from them in like a week. This is the second time that this has happened to me with Kylie Cosmetics. The last time this happened was like 3 years ago, and when they like, not when they first came out, but like when the brand was like big enough to where like the website didn't crash every time she had a launch. Like, so I ordered like 2 of each of these colors and I only got 1 of each. So I had to email customer service, and then they were like, we want proof, but of course they took like 3 days to reply. So I had already like thrown out the box, and they were like, we need pictures of the box, we need pictures of the packing slip, we need this and that. And it took me like a month to get the other 2 lipsticks. There's another girl who posted a video about this too, that was like, you know, she had the same situation. So she, I guess, got a reply and they just sent her out like a new one immediately. or not immediately, but like, you know, within a couple of days they just sent her a new one. So I hope that happens for me, and I hope that they like expedite it because I paid for this and I was supposed to do a video on it, but whatever. That's my little rant about why I'm so upset. They didn't send me my eyeshadow palette. So anywho, I'm just gonna go ahead and review what I did get out of the 5 items. I only got 4 of them. Were 2 lipsticks. So this is what they look like. This is the Unicart, super cute, pink garb. I already did this in the last video, but she did add rose gold to say Koko. And then I did get a lip liner, and then I got a highlight. So let's do the highlight first. I didn't put a highlight on my face yet. Let's, you know, I'm not complete without my highlight. So this is called True Mama. It is a really pretty, it's a really pretty like icy white. The only thing, so I already noticed when I opened it is that there is literally, I don't know if you guys can see, there's like glitter everywhere, like on the outside of the package. Like I already kind of cleaned some of it off, but then you open it and there's literally pieces of like highlight all over the place. Like it's not clean. Like I expect to open something and like it be clean, but it's not. So this is not a cheap collection. This is why I'm upset. Like this is not like a $50 collection. This is, I paid over $100 to get this. Like that's why I'm a little, like I'm really upset because I used my own money. But anyways, this is what the highlight looks like. I just dusted all that garbage off, but it's like a champagne-y, like icy white. I don't know, let's go in, see what happens. Oh, okay, I was not expecting it to be this bright. Okay, I'm not mad at the fact that this thing is like really blinding. I mean, I do have like 2 highlights in this color already. I'm like really trying to find something wrong with this. Like, I think I'm just salty still about my eyeshadow palette. Oh, okay. Come through, nose highlight. Okay, take the rest of my forehead. Okay, I'm actually not mad at this highlight. Like, it is pretty bright. It's still pretty blinding. I mean, like I said, like, it's not like I already have, like, highlights in this color or anything, but, like, whatever. Okay, let's go into the lip swatches. The lipstick was actually what I was really excited about. Actually, I was really excited for the eyeshadow palette, too, but we're just not going to talk about her right now. But I was really excited to try these just because the names in them are so funny. Like, I was dying when I read them and I was like, I need to have all of those. So the first one is The Bigger the Hoops. Wait, okay, let's reintroduce her. This one's called The Bigger the Hoops. And then the other one is called Allergic to Bullshit. I'm living for these right now. And then the lip liner is called Handbag Ho. I'm going to try them all individually, and then I am going to go in with the lip liner at the end and then put the shade I like more on top, just so that we can like see what it looks like. I want to be able to see what these lipsticks look like on their own. And then I'll just pick my favorite and put it over the lip liner. So this is The Bigger the Hoops. She's pink. Super cute. She looks a lot like Candy, so if this is Candy repackaged, I'm going to be a little mad. Alrighty. Okay, she's pink. She's a little more pink than Candy, I can tell already. Let me, I mean, I thought they were more different. I don't know, they look kind of the same, to be honest. Like, this one, I mean, it is more pink, so I'll give her that. But this one's a little more like mauvey nude. This one's more like a true pink. I mean, I'm not mad at the color. I think it's pretty. It's nice to have like a pink lipstick. I don't know, I just feel like pink lipstick, like you have to be like wearing the right attire to pull it off. But I mean, she's not ugly. This is The Bigger the Hoops. Okay, this is Allergic to Bullshit. She's real nude. I was super excited for the shade because it looks so good on the girl on the Instagram. This is really nude. And this is really, really light. Okay, let me just give it a second. Sometimes they change color after they dry down. I hope. Okay, she got like a smidge, I mean like a smidge darker. This is really light. What the heck? On the model on the website, it was just like a nude, like a dark nude. Like, what is this? This is so light. And it's like pink. I thought it was gonna look like exposed, like more nude and like a little darker. This is too light. I don't like this. Okay, let me try it with the lip liner and see if that helps any. Sometimes a light lipstick can get saved. So this is Handbag Ho. Let's see if she could save the day. Okay. I'm not like too mad at the lips, like the lip liner. Like it's a little dark. Tell me why you be pairing this dark lip liner with this light lipstick. Like what is going on? Like why they do this? Okay, let's try to slap this on and see what happens. I guess. I don't know, I was way more excited for this color and I'm not as excited as how it turned out. Alright, whatever. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed me like trying all this stuff on and like torturing myself over the fact that I don't like half of it, but I guess I gotta do it for the tube. No. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe. Hit the little bell. You'll get a notification every time I post a new video. Hopefully my eyeshadow palette arrives soon. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!